In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Insignia TV, Insignia Fire TV, if it's not working. Now, this can happen because of many different reasons, so let me show you how to fix it. All right, step number one is to unplug your TV. No matter what problem you have, go on the back and unplug it from the wall outlet. Great. Next step, you're going to press this button, the power button. Maybe yours is on the right side or left side. Keep it pressed during 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, okay, let's say it's 10 seconds past, you can release it. Now we need to power on your Insignia TV in a special menu. So how do you do this? Well, you need to keep press this power button and at the same time connect it in the power outlet over here without releasing the power button. You need to keep it pressed until you see the Insignia TV logo appearing on the display. Let me demonstrate so it makes more sense to you. I'm keeping the power button pressed and now I'll plug the TV in the power outlet. I'm not letting this power button go, okay? Until I see Insignia. Now I can release the power button. And now just wait. Wait around 10-15 seconds until you see a menu appearing right in this corner over here. Alright, you see the menu appeared. What you need to do now is to select Wipe Cache Partition. To select it, give a few taps on this power button until Wipe Cache Partition is highlighted in blue. And now we need to keep press on the power button to actually select it. So keep press, and once it turns to green, release the power button. Okay. Now select yes by pressing once on the power button and keep it pressed so yes is selected. Now release. And over here you're going to get the confirmation that the cache has been wiped completely. Now we need to select over here, Reboot System Now. And to do so, you simply need to keep press this power button. Again, it will turn green and then the TV will reboot. Usually it takes like a minute. And hopefully after doing this, your problem will be gone. Now, I didn't do it because I want to show you something else. In case your problem still continue to happen and you want to factory reset your Insignia TV, you need to go back in this menu. So do the same thing I showed you previously, but this time we're gonna select this one, Wipe Data Factory Reset. It's a full reset. Your account will be gone. All your apps you downloaded will be gone. But fortunately, after doing this, your TV will be like brand new, so you won't have any issues. So again, to select it, give a few taps until Wipe Data Factory Reset is the one in blue. Keep it pressed until it's green. Then select yes, keep it pressed, and usually it takes 2-3 minutes, and then you're going to see the initial setup menu ready to set up your TV like a brand new one. Usually it takes 2 minutes before you see that screen. Overall, this is it. I hope it fixed your issue. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.